Is it just me, or does the ocean give you life? I just love everything about the seaside. The way it smells, the way up north the tide moves in and out so mightily, and how wildlife seems to flock to these food-rich centers. The energy of the ocean stirs up something deep inside of me that I think I've inherited from my ancestors, and I've especially come to love the place where the mountains reach the sea. I've been missing home a lot lately. For those of you that are new here, a couple years ago my mom and I bought a plot of land in Southeast Alaska. It's currently still undeveloped, but I've spent a lot of time there and I have really fallen in love where the rainforest meets the mountains, meets the ocean. It feels like home to me. We will be headed there after we complete some of our summer goals, but for now I'm trying to help soothe this homesick and sad feeling that I've been having the past few weeks by taking a little side quest to the coast, which feels very similar to the sweet little island that I like to call home. So I think I've sort of figured out why I've been feeling kind of down recently, and I think it's because I haven't really been to any new areas in a really long time. And for me, going to new places and seeing new things and doing new things is what lights a fire in my heart. And yeah, I have not done that in months. I'm very familiar with the lower 48. I'm pretty familiar with the Rockies. So I haven't really pushed myself to go anywhere I haven't been before in a while. We're gonna take a little sidetrack and head to the west while we wait for the Rockies to thaw out a little bit more. There's a lot of things I can't do because William is getting older. He's between 9 and 10, so he doesn't really like hiking that far anymore, so I have to be really selective about what we do. And plus I'm waiting on a pack raft, which will allow us to go farther and do more things that William can do, which is super exciting. There are so many helicopters out right now. I apologize. So I figured while we wait for things to thaw out up there, we are going to head to the coast. I miss the ocean anyways. I am an ocean girl. I love the seaside, so that's where we're headed. For those of you who don't know and aren't from Canada, the highway I'm on is called the Trans-Canada Highway and is the main highway connecting 9 provinces together from Victoria, British Columbia to St. John's, Newfoundland. It's approximately 7,476 kilometers or 4,645 miles long. This section of the highway is particularly steep and I imagine was a challenge to build. There are a few of these tunnels which are snow sheds because sometimes there's so much snowpack on the surrounding mountains that avalanches become highly likely, and they create a way for the snow to pass over the highway, keeping drivers safe. This is my favorite rest stop, and I'll show you why. I've been through here, I think 4 or 5 times now. Every time I stop here to use the bathroom because just look at this. You gotta see it. One of the many people taking a photo right now. These are the bathrooms. There is the mountain. I've been wearing these Vessi Stormburst low tops for about a week and a half or so. I've been putting these puppies through the ringer trying to see if they can withstand being wet, dirty, walk through sand, basically survive the type of lifestyle that I live. And Vessi is the sponsor of today's video. I normally wear rubber boots because usually I'm trekking through mud, snow, water, all different sorts of environments, and I like my feet to stay dry and clean. I honestly didn't think there could be a sneaker-like shoe that could handle the places I tend to walk. I haven't even put my rubber boots on since Vessi sent me these in the mail. So while I give these babies a clean to try to give you guys a look at what they look like somewhat new, I'm going to give you some facts about these awesome shoes. These shoes are completely waterproof, not water resistant. They are made with a special material called Dymatex, designed to keep water out but still be breathable. They have advanced traction, but somehow are very lightweight and feel like a cloud with every step. The pull tabs make putting them on just as easy as a pair of rain boots, too. It's honestly shoe magic to me. Oh, and did I mention they're vegan? I definitely think these are going to be a replacement for my rubber boots in a lot of situations because I really like how light they are and they give me more ankle support and foot support. than my boots do. These Vessi low top storm bursts are definitely going to be used a lot on my way to the Arctic Ocean and in mainland Alaska this summer. I can just imagine myself going on hikes, trekking through water with these. These are definitely going to come in handy. So to learn more, go to vessi.com/Loui and you will automatically get 15% off your first order at checkout. Thanks so much, Vessi, for sending me these rad shoes and sponsoring my adventures. Got no record of brighter days. Your light's on me, and that's okay. Got no part, got no lights, but I have you, and you have me, honey. Water's wet, light is light. Got upset, but I'm doing fine. When I get home, when I calm down, I'll have you, and you have me. Summer breeze, winter storms, I don't mind getting old. As we're going, living, just glad to be. I'll have you, and you'll have me, honey. So windy! You guys, I found a really good spot to make lunch and fish. I was gonna try to make it to the ocean today, but I think I'm gonna stick around here because there's so many good fishing spots over here. I just realized that Simon has literally all of my lures right now. I'm just gonna fish with this one spoon I have and the biggest barbless hook I have, so I highly doubt I'm gonna catch anything, but it's pretty here. No, we're not. William, we're not playing tennis. No. I might have to put this dog in the car. William, no. You're gonna get yourself hurt. Silly doggy. Cold in there right now. Oh, he's not fun. William! You crazy. A lot of that. My secret ingredient. And some sesame seeds. Swimming right now. Lucy's having a good time. I usually make this with way more ingredients in it, like spices and stuff, but this is pretty good, simple as it is. Keep it nice and simple since we're on the road right now. Well, we have made it to Squamish, and this is about the only forest road that you can camp on, so there's a ton of people camped on the main road. But because I have my beautiful Black Panther, and you guys, this is the reason why I bought this Jeep, is so I can get out further and find better camp spots. Like, that was my main problem when I had just a regular, like, street van. And look at this spot. I'm like seriously lucked out. I have this whole place to myself, basically. The sun's in a bad spot right now for filming that, but like, what the hell, dude? I lucked out on this one, guys. Oh my god, this is like 2 minutes. This is a 10-minute drive from downtown Squamish. I don't know, y'all. I've definitely been having a hard time with a few aspects of my life, and I don't know, it was just one of those moments that I really needed, because my expectation of Squamish was that I wasn't going to be able to find a comfortable space to sleep tonight, but I want to be at the ocean so bad tomorrow. And turns out I'm camped at a really amazing spot that I did not expect to be here at all. I feel suddenly rejuvenated and really excited about life again. And I guess it's just like moments like these that you don't expect that are the things that keep you going when you live this way. And yeah, I'm just really happy to be able to share one of these moments with you guys, because I do definitely have down moments, like periodically living this way. It's not an easy lifestyle, but then there are moments like these that remind me of why I do this and help me to remember to be grateful. And I just feel so blessed to live this life. And yeah, this is one of those moments. Like, what? I've been avoiding going to Squamish for years because I just thought it was going to be a shit show. First impression? Great. Tomorrow, the ocean. William also seems to be for this spot. I know I've been a bit melodramatic in this video, but I think I realized while driving to the coast that maybe it wasn't the ocean that could fix my melancholy energy, but the journey itself is what helped to get me out of my little bubble. The reason I love travel so much is because it puts you outside of yourself, and it helps you to see that there are 1,001 other ways that you could live, or that could have been your life. It puts perspective on things and helps me at least to see how big and beautiful this world really is. Well, it's time to do what this whole spontaneous side quest was for. We are going to head to the ocean to get some ocean breeze on our skin. He's always ready to go anywhere and everywhere. But yeah, we're gonna head to the ocean.